This is hands down the best course I've ever seen in my life.
I would say just from the training alone, I would easily value the information at like $5,000, and that's to say nothing of all the great software that you get access to as well.
The software alone is worth much more than the investment.
If I could put a price tag on Fatima's course, I would honestly list it at $15,000 or more, just based on the value that she provides. Like, it truly is exceptional.
If I was to put a price on the course, it's hard to say, because it's certainly worth a lot more than she's charging. It's certainly worth, tens of thousands of dollars. Well, it's worth hundreds of thousands of dollars, but it's worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. Really, what you learn, what the money you can make from it, and the skills you get out of it, there's no exaggeration. It's got to be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars.
I feel that the Profit House is an opportunity that should cost no less than $10K. The reason is because of all the value, dedication, and personal guidance that Fatima has put forth.
I can't even put a price tag on it. It's absolutely priceless.
If I had to put a price tag on this course, I would say it's priceless.
I've never seen anyone that works as hard and wants you to succeed as much as Fatima does. I've never, ever invested in anything that provided as much value and found people that cared as much as in the Profit House.
I've already been able to close a couple of deals. She helped me close my first deal. She hopped on a call and just sealed the deal quickly. You're going to learn so much valuable information in this course that if you don't get in here, you're just you're losing out on an amazing opportunity that's quite invaluable, really.
Everybody has a deal. Everybody is making money.
You simply take what she shows you, implement it, and make your profit.